Hey people, in the current crop of shows that you can possibly watch, downright the cutest show that is possibly online today. I mean, in terms of it's one of the cutest shows I have seen since the lockdown began. Is called Girlfriend Chore. It's on MX Player. So basically it's been created and directed and written by this person Girish Jotwani, and it stars the Mayur More, Sishir Sharma, Sonali Sachdev, and Juneja. There's this very pretty girl. So here, I mean, it's this is a show that is literally made along the lines of. Remember, there was this Balaji telefilm, Hum Panch. That feel good family entertainer sort of thing. You'll have to watch it. Yeah, it's called Girlfriend Chore, and it's on MX Player. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.